one of President Donald Trump's senior advisors revealed that the administration is actively considering the suspension of habeas corpus, a legal principle that allows individuals to contest the legality of their detention in court. Stephen Miller, the White House Deputy Chief of Staff, told reporters on Friday that the U.S. Constitution permits this right to be suspended during circumstances involving rebellion or invasion. His remarks follow a series of legal challenges by judges who have questioned recent detentions carried out under the Trump administration. Policies aimed at curbing illegal immigration and targeting foreign students deemed to be dissenting voices. Whether or not that step becomes necessary will largely depend on how the courts choose to respond, Miller added. Multiple civil lawsuits are currently underway challenging the Trump administration's deportation of undocumented immigrants through habeas corpus claims. In a recent case, a federal judge ordered the release of a Turkish university student who had been held in detention for 6 weeks after publishing an article critical of Israel. Just a week earlier, another judge ruled in favor of a Columbia University student, also detained due to his pro-Palestinian activism, granting his release following a habeas corpus petition. Despite these rulings, some courts have backed the administration's actions in similar legal battles. Stephen Miller referred to habeas corpus as a privilege and argued that Congress had already enacted legislation removing immigration matters from judicial review. However, legal scholars and critics have cast doubt on his legal interpretation. Only Congress has the constitutional authority to suspend habeas corpus, not Stephen Miller. And not the president, said Mark Elias, a Democratic Party lawyer. In an interview with MSNBC, one of Trump's central campaign promises was the mass deportation of millions of undocumented immigrants. Since taking office again, his administration has pursued various strategies to accelerate the removal process. In March, a federal judge blocked the use of an antiquated wartime statute the administration tried to invoke in order to deport over 200 Venezuelans. Although the deportation flights still proceeded, nonetheless, deportations have not kept pace with the number of detentions, and at least one person has been mistakenly deported. According to unnamed sources cited by CNN, Trump has been directly involved in internal conversations about suspending habeas corpus, although the former president has not publicly endorsed suspending the legal safeguard. He has expressed his intention to counter judicial orders that obstruct his immigration policies. There are measures we can take, and some of them are very powerful, he said in April. There's one particular method used by 3 highly respected presidents, but we hope we need to use it. Habeas corpus, a Latin term meaning you should have the body, ensures individuals can appear before a judge to challenge the lawfulness of their detention. This right has only been suspended 4 times in U.S. history. During the Civil War under President Abraham Lincoln in Hawaii, following the Pearl Harbor attack in 1941 in the Philippines in 1905 during American rule, and in the 19th century, amid federal efforts to suppress the Ku Klux Klan. Importantly, U.S. Constitution assigns the authority to suspend habeas corpus exclusively to Congress, not the executive branch.